Howdy, and welcome back to my channel. During the last days, I played a lot with my Challenger. It is a basic 150 pounds crossbow I bought second-hand for 35 euros last winter. I made some content about it. You can find them on my channel. The crossbow is not that powerful, but I still want to test the penetration I can get with it. I will use the classic field tip and a piece of 2x2 pine wood, just to understand better the toy. As you can see, it is a classic and basic old recurve budget crossbow. But it is made in Italy, so I presume it is better than many Chinese knockoff you can easily find on the web. The arrow is an AliExpress basic mixed carbon 18 inches bolt. Let's shoot it now. Perfect. I put the arrow exactly in the center of the 2x2. Let's see the penetration we got. The arrow is firmly stuck in the wood. All the tip penetrated the wood piece. Not bad for a super cheap crossbow. It's impossible to get it out without damaging the carbon shaft. To save the arrow, my best option is to unscrew it from the tip and work on the wood to free the tip without bending or cracking it. With the 2x2 in the vise, I should be able to work the tip out using a small screwdriver to break the fibers of the wood. Yes, digging in the wood is the best solution. The wood is pretty hard, but the screwdriver can do the job. I feel it starting to move. Here we go. The tip is out perfectly fine. Impressive penetration, in my opinion. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you soon on the next one. Thanks for watching.